video, I'm going to show you how you can level up your church's Instagram Reels with these animated subtitles and captions. So now that we have our footage into our timeline, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the text window. And if you don't have the text window, go to window and then go to text. And we're going to go to transcript. And you're going to see Premiere automatically transcribed my sequence. If it didn't, there should be an option that you can click that it will transcribe your video for you. I pretty much have my video edited with the B-roll, but now to give it those subtitles animations, what I'm going to do from our transcript, I'm going to go ahead and click the CC icon, which is create captions. And for Reels, the best settings that I like to use for Reels is keeping the character length anywhere from 20 to 24. So I'm gonna go for 24, and then I'm gonna go single lines. So we're gonna create those captions, and you're gonna see our captions are up here. And what we can do is we can make edits if something's not spelled correctly. If we go to our essential graphics panel, again, if you don't have your essential graphics, you go to window and essential graphics, it'll pop up. We're gonna go to the edit tab. And if we highlight all of them, we're able to customize and select what we want to do with our text. So I'm just going to drag it up a bit. And in order to get the safe margin border that I have around, if you just right click your video and you put safe margins, it'll go ahead and add those for you. A lot of mistakes that I see from churches' Instagram Reels is that they put subtitles in their video or they add graphics to it. Most of the case, it's cropped out, it doesn't look good because the likes and the captions are covering it, or the text by Instagram itself is covering it. So just use the save margins and make sure you keep your text where you need it to be. A lot of times you want to make your text and your titles a little smaller, just so you don't have to worry about your text or titles being cropped out. So now what I'm going to do is, now that I know that I have my text in a safe area, I'm going to go to our track style and I'm going to click this drop down. I'm going to choose one of these title templates. They're pretty clean and they're fully customizable. So these text styles are specifically designed for faith-based creatives and to help level up your church's Instagram Reels. So if you're interested in leveling up your social media, these will help you out a bunch. So if you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below. So I'm going to go with the Praise God Look Fly font style. And you see it looks pretty clean. I'm going to go ahead and edit it to our liking. If I don't want those double lines, I could just minimize it and it'll keep it on one line for me. So now that we have our captions designed to our liking, what we're going to do is go to graphics and titles and go from upgrade caption to graphic. And it's going to upgrade our captions and to these text layers. And so what we can do is we can drag and drop our effects to animate our captions. So I'm going to go to my presets and I'm going to go to the Sunday subtitles presets. We can just highlight them all and drag and drop one on, and we can see how we like it. This one has a nice fast blur that's animated. And you see it's already pretty clean. And we could just go ahead and just throw which one that we like on there. This one has a nice little flips in from the bottom. This one's a nice little pop-in effect. And you see, they just look super clean. And so the one I'm gonna use is, I'm just gonna use the pop-in effect. That one looks clean. And one of my favorite things to do from this pack is to duplicate them once we have our effect on there and add the Sunday text glow effect. And what that's gonna do is add that clean glow to our subtitles, guys. And this is just the sauce that your video needs. Here's another favorite style of mine that I want to show you guys. If I change the text style to heavenly highlight, you're going to see that's going to give us this nice highlight for our footage. I'm going to upgrade a caption to graphic. And then for this one, effects, I'm going to go and apply the Sunday text wipe in. It's going to add that nice wipe to our footage, which is going to give us that highlight feel. Coming from a creative leader myself that serves in ministry, these are definitely the best assets to help level up your church's social media and Instagram Reels. They have everything from overlays, animated subtitles, motion graphics templates, presets, and so much more. If you use the code YouTube at checkout, you'll get 10% off your entire order on top of the 40% launch sale that they're having right now. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials where I'll be uploading daily.